Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the starting material. The starting material is benzoic acid, Ph-CH2, a carboxylic acid. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with SOCl2, thionyl chloride. When a carboxylic acid reacts with SOCl2, the O of the carboxyl group is replaced by Cl, converting the carboxylic acid into an acid chloride, acyl chloride. Product A is benzoyl chloride, PHC, is equal to OCl. Moving on to the next step. Reaction of acid chloride with H2 over PD, BaSO4. This is the Rosenmund reduction. In this reaction, an acid chloride, acyl chloride, is selectively reduced by H2 in the presence of a poisoned palladium catalyst, PD on BaSO4, which is a partially deactivated poisoned catalyst. The poisoned catalyst ensures that reduction stops at the aldehyde stage and does not proceed further to the alcohol. PHC is equal to O, Cl plus H2 PD BaSO4 PHC is equal to O, H plus HCl. Product B is benzaldehyde, PH2. And for the final step, evaluate other options. B. Ph-CH2-OH, benzyl alcohol, would require over-reduction beyond the aldehyde. The poisoned PD, BaSO4 catalyst prevents this. C. Ph-CH2-Cl, benzyl chloride, is not a product of hydrogenation of an acid chloride. D. PHCH is equal to CH2, styrene, is unrelated to this reaction sequence. The Rosenmund reduction is specifically designed to stop at the aldehyde, making A, PH2 the correct product. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.